Welcome! In front of me I have Diesel On Axial watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button until you see the Diesel On logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. It might take a couple of seconds. And after the watch turns on, you probably will see the message on the screen saying tap to begin, so let's tap on the screen. And after that you will see the list of languages on the screen, and you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it, for example English. And after you select the language, tap on the check mark to confirm. And now we need to download and install the Wear OS application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Wear OS. Then tap on search. Scroll through the list of applications, find the Wear OS by Google, tap on it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. After the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it, and after it opens, you can tap on Start Setup, tap on Agree. You can also check the box to send the diagnostic reports to Google if you want to. Come on. Next, tap on Enable, tap on OK. The app should detect your watch, tap on it to select it, tap on Pair, tap on Confirm. Right here we can connect our watch to the Wi-Fi network. If you want to do it, basically select the network you want to connect to and then enter the password to do it. If you want to skip it, you can tap on Skip. I'm just gonna skip it for now. And right here we can copy a Google account to our watch. So if you want to use services like Google Play, Gmail and stuff like that on your watch, you need to copy the Google account to it. And to do it, simply select a Google account right here. You want to copy, and then you can tap on Continue as account, and basically it will copy the account. You can also tap on Use Wear OS without account if you want to skip this step and don't copy an account to your watch. I'm just gonna tap on Continue right here. And now you will need to enter the password to your Google account to continue. So give me a second. Okay, and once you're done, then you log in. You will be able to also, or you'll be asked to allow some permissions for some stuff like calendar and stuff like that. So you can tap on Continue, and you can allow or deny the permission for the calendar. Next we have the notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. And then we have the chat with friends, and you can tap on Continue and allow the permission for the access to your contacts, or deny it if you want to. Okay, tap on Continue. Allow or deny the permission for the location. And once you're done with the permissions, you need to wait a couple more seconds or minutes until the setup is finished. Okay, once you see this screen, tap on Done. And at this point, you should see your Axial watch in the app, and it should say completing setup on your watch. And after you wait a couple more seconds, it should be done, and you should be able to use your watch. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.